Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. Final review of the day, of the week. Thank God, it's been a tough one. Man, some of them beers, like that last one, whew. This one is by Evil Genius Brewing, and it's called Purple Monkey Dishwasher. Chocolate peanut butter porter, ale with natural flavors added. It says, if candy and beer had a beautiful liquid baby, you like chocolate and peanut butter, but hate all the pesky chewing? Give your teeth a vacation with our rich, full-bodied chocolate peanut butter porter. Easy for you to say, especially after that 12% beer. This one comes in at, it looks like 6.7%. Purple Monkey Dishwasher. I don't know where they came up with that, but okay. See how it pours? It is porter, so it's going to be a little bit thinner than that stout. Well, we got a big old head going in there. Going to take it a little easier. Although I do like to get all that going. Not smelling too much of anything. Trying to keep this mic away from my chin. Got some bigger bubbles coming up through the head there. That's looking pretty good. Looks yummy. Still no aroma on it. I got nothing. But let's blow the froth back and give it a tilt and see what it says to me. Now we just did one Sweet Baby Swirl or something like that. This one is a little bit thinner. A little bit less on the taste too. I like the Sweet Baby Swirl over this one. This has got that burnt taste of the porter. Very little peanut taste going on in it. A little bit. What's my thoughts on it? I don't know. It's a good thing it doesn't say like purple dishwasher water or something like that. I'm going to save that one for Randy with his pond water. As porters go, it's a porter. I'm thinking like low sevens, 7.1. I'm not going to buy it again. You know what I'm saying? It's okay for a porter. You know, if someone's got it, you might want to give it a shot. I wouldn't go looking for it. 7.1. That's the review. So, round table coming up. Should be interesting. I haven't seen the boys in probably a month now. We're trying to do it like once a month. Everyone's going to pick their own beers, and we're going to share them. Find out about them, right? Anyway, guys, peace. Be safe out there. We'll see you soon.